Going on, everybody? Is my stream on? YouTube's not coming up. It's weird. I'm live, cool. Start it again. So weird. Working. Periscope. What's going on? Weird. Periscope. Hi. I've been watching this. Video output's low though. But I do believe the link is wrong. Yep. Send out my newsletter again with the correct link. I have a couple Gmail accounts, so I've just got email. I just resent out the email with the correct link. Let me forward it around social media a little bit. Do it on Reddit. I don't know if you people know about Reddit. They have a crypto community with 773. And then they have able to post it on Tumblr and Instagram. Look what happens on Tumblr when you post on Tumblr. Woohoo! Cool. Post on Tumblr. Now post on Facebook. Post to LinkedIn. I do them individually because I have this one thing that blasts them all at once. So. Pinterest. I never changed the 2,000 videos. I've never changed the thumbnail in between. I just took the free away from the MOJO Day Trade room so no one could come into the room anymore because people are coming in and contacting people when I'm not pitching them other rooms. Want to come join the room? Let me know. You know. Otherwise, we don't really need you. Doing fine without y'all. And come and trade if you'd like. Alright, my corrected link went out. Oh look, refer a friend, get $10 for a Coinbase. See that? Refer a friend, get some friends to Coinbase. You both get $10 worth of Coinbase when they buy and sell their first $100 worth of crypto. Can't believe that came in because that's what I wanted to put into the description of the video down below. My two base. Put it in the description of this video in the Coinbase Stex link right here. STEX. Tell you about Stex tonight. One is Coinbase, and then from Coinbase on that baby, both of my codes are in there. So if you don't. There. Thanks, I didn't have to shut it off. It just came over. There's Bitcoin right now on Kraken's 4101. It's right where I own it right here. My Kraken account. The reason why I like Kraken and what I do is you open up an account on Coinbase right here. Coinbase is like the main wallet. And from there, you have all your coins, and you have your Ethereum. I got some of that, little Bitcoin. And from here, this is your main wallet. Got a G-Bone in there. And then from there, you got this STEX right here, STEX. So I'm mining Snow Gem, which is right here. The Snow Gem. You could see Snow Gem in the last couple of days. This is today. I'm gonna do a breakout above this. This is the last time I mined it, big time. Sold it all at the top. Did that, put it in micro Bitcoin, which I've been accumulating. So I'm mining Snow Gem for profit. Getting the Snow Gem. So here's my Snow Gem wallet right here. Good evening. It's a really nice looking interface, GUI, a graphic. It's graphic utility interface, GUI wallet. And here's every couple of minutes I get 9 Snow Gem. Here's 05, 55. Look, 1 minute. So I sent out 29 coins to the exchange to sell, to buy micro Bitcoin. So I'm mining Snow Gem for 20% profit, then putting it in micro Bitcoin for that thing to go up several 100%. It's all upside with that little thing. I'll show you. And then every couple of minutes, 2 minutes from 1945 to 40, I just got another payment in right there of 357. Every 3 minutes, I get the Snow Gem, comes in live. I'm mining it. My computers. What they look like right here. Here. One of my miners right here. I'm mining. I can mine Bitcoin interest, Snow Gem, micro Bitcoin, Raven coin, Aeon coin. I'm gonna mine Snow Gem. Run the miner. I'm mining right there. These are GTX 1070s. On the Snow Gem proof of work, void R pool net port 3032. And you can see my GPUs accepting shares. And that's how I get paid. Those shares are the ones that are going into this wallet right here. The file that's on the miner with the address is the file that's in this wallet. So as the computer's mining, it's putting the coins in this wallet. And from this wallet, I come over here and I send the coins, max 19, send it to that address, which is the STEX exchange address. And it says success, close. So then I come over to the STEX exchange. Shut off the mine, but off the mine. Then I come to the STEX exchange and I have the Snow Gem sitting in there. Here's 96 of them. So I go market Snow Gem. See if there's 96 down here to 12 right here. So I just put this one, click 96, sell that. So that's sold. Now I got some Bitcoin. Now I come over to micro Bitcoin and I go 4. That's where I'm buying it. 29,312. Click, done, order done. So that's my pattern. And here's the micro Bitcoin. You could see it's the chart on it right here. So this is like the high, which is like 11 cents. And right now it's at 2 and 3 cents. So look, it's like a 1, 2, 3, a quad bottom, 4 bottom. So it's big time accumulation bars down here, especially this one the other day. And expecting a big 2 or 3 day pop just like this, right up to 13, right up here to test the top. And from that is a triple, that's a 3 time. But I'm expecting 10, 20 time the funds on that micro Bitcoin. This micro Bitcoin goes to 50 cents or $1. Because if Bitcoin goes to 100,000 a coin, the micro Bitcoin will be worth $1. And then you come over here and you send that to the Kraken exchange. And the Kraken exchange, I have leverage 5 to 1. See it? So I'm trading with leverage. I have Bitcoin in there, but only $800 worth because I'm testing it. But it's leverage of 5 to 1. So with a couple $100, you can go in with leverage. And if you're right on your Bitcoin bet, you get 5 times the amount of money. Really cool. I'll show you how that works. I got a video on it. See here, how to trade leverage. Here on margin. So this is their video.
And I'm going to make a quick... Hi everyone. So
by the way, this chat with us, they have a chat thing behind my image right here in the corner of the website. They're really up in tune with chatting.
Trading, and I'm going to make a quick little video to show you how the interface works to place long or short positions, close those positions, and maybe even flip your position with one order, which is kind of a cool feature. So to jump right in, I'm going to go over here to the New Order tab, and you do have to be on the Intermediate or Advanced tabs in order to see these leverage buttons over here on the right. So I'm going to choose a leverage amount of 3 to 1, which will essentially triple my buying power.
I picked 5.
Bitcoin.
Mine had 5.
To set a buy order for 6 Bitcoin. And I'm going to change this to a market order. I could use a limit order, which would put in the order at a certain price, and if the market reaches that price, it would fill, but I want to do this quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and do a market. So everything else looks good, so I'll go down here and click to buy. And there we go. You can see my position is on the books. I'm going long on Bitcoin for Bitcoin. And over
so that's what I did right here.
Profit or loss for this position. So
I owned it at 41.01.
Give the market time to move one direction.
It's at 4085. It's like right where I bought it.
Okay, it looks like the market actually moved in my favor, and this position generated a little bit of profit. So I'm going to close it out.
2% he made.
In order to do that, I need to create an opposing order for the same amount. So since I used a buy of 6 Bitcoin to create this long position, I'm next going to do a sell of 6 Bitcoin to close that out. And I do have to choose some kind of leverage. If I leave this at none and click sell, I'm just going to sell some of my Bitcoins straight onto the market. But if I choose an amount of leverage, it's going to use these 6 Bitcoins to close out my current position instead. So that all looks good. I'll click sell.
How many leverage did he do when he bought?
So everything else looks good, so I'll go down here and click to buy.
He bought with 3.
And there we go. You can see my position is on the books. I'm going. In order to do that, I need to create an opposing order.
So why wouldn't he use 3?
So since I used a buy of 6 Bitcoin to create this,
his leverage is 3 to 1.
I'm going to do a sell of 6 Bitcoin to close that out. And I do have to choose some kind of leverage. If I leave this at none and click sell, I'm just going to sell some of my Bitcoins straight onto the market. But if I choose an amount of leverage, it's going to use these 6 Bitcoins to close out my current position.
Okay.
So that all looks good. I'll click sell. And you'll see down here in the open position list, my position has disappeared because it's been closed out and that profit has been added back into my account.
Cool.
One thing that's important to remember is that if you have multiple positions open, they'll be closed out in the order that you created them. So I can show you a quick example. I'm going to create a new position for, let's say, 3 Bitcoins. We will add a 3 to 1 leverage. Okay. I'll make a new position for 5 Bitcoins at 1.5 to 1 leverage, and we will buy that as well. And so now I have these 2 positions on the books for different amounts of leverage. The 3 Bitcoin was entered first, followed by 5 Bitcoin. So if I wanted to close out just a portion of this, let's say 4 Bitcoin worth, I will say a sell for 4 Bitcoin, choose an amount of leverage, and you'll notice when I actually execute this trade, Bitcoins were used to close out the first position I opened, so it's off the books completely, and the remaining 1 Bitcoin was used against the second position, so it now has a volume of 4. Next, I'll show you how you can flip your position in one move, which is kind of a cool feature. If you're going long and you see the market is about to move the other direction and you want to close out your position and immediately go short on Bitcoin, you can do that all
What do you do, sell more than you have?
So I'm going to go back here to create a new order. And right now I'm going long for 4 Bitcoin. Let's say I immediately want to
sell
close
6.
short for 4 Bitcoin. What I would do up here is I would set a new order. I will sell because I want to go short. And I'm going to put in here 8 Bitcoin. And I'm going to choose the leverage I want to use for my new position, which will remain on the books. So we'll say 3-to-1 leverage. Now when I go to place this order, it's going to use 4 of those Bitcoin to close out my current position, and the remaining 4 Bitcoin will stay on the books as a new short position. And there we go. Now you can see down in my list of open positions, my long position has been closed, and I'm now going short for 4 Bitcoin.
Cool.
I showed you the manual way of closing a position or even flipping, but there's also the shortcut. Down here at the bottom, there's a button that says Create Closing Order, and you can also choose the amount of volume you want to use for that close. If you just want to close everything,
I like how that you can pick your leverage on your trade that you want to do. That stock should have that
feature. If you want to flip it around and go the other direction, you can choose 200. So what this will do
if you
is
want to
fill out
go,
the order screen with
wow, and you'll completely flip it.
Since I selected 200, it's going to put 8 Bitcoin up here in the amount. And all I have to do is click the buy.
I want to see that again.
So what this will do is fill out the order screen with all the correct values you need to close out your position.
So it'll flip 8, sell it, and then get them short 8.
It's going to put 8 Bitcoin up here in the amount. And all I have to do is click the buy button to flip my position again, and again go long on Bitcoin. So that's about it for the margin trading interface. I showed you how to open and close positions and how to even flip your position in one quick move. And I hope this is useful. So
yeah, so let's check that out. They have that you go into a trade. See here, margin trade. I bought the Bitcoin right there. See, free margin. It shows you all this shit. Look. Trade balance 812, equity 807, use margin 163, free margin 640, margin level 494, opening cost, well, and it gives you a profit loss too, right behind it's I'm down $4 it says. Cool. A lot of great info. Behind Bobo Snare over there. So where's that new order? You can buy Bitcoin. Oh, here's the closing thing right down. Where is that? Conditional close. Market. Let's go. You go sell. So if I was going to sell and then flip it and go long again, I'd have to pick a leverage, he said. So let's say I'm long. So you want whatever Bitcoin I was going to sell at that price. Right. Volume 0.15. Limit at that. Start now, good until canceled. See, take profit. Settle position. Take profit. I don't see that thing in there. I closed that window already. Shit. Maybe it's if you buy. No, he did it on the sell. %. He had 200% in there. I'll do see what it says. It says sell 5 Bitcoin with 5 to 1 leverage limit Bitcoin. Close position take profit 200. I gotta watch that video again. That flip. I wanted to see that, man. What do I think about XLM? Yeah, it's a good one. On Binance. Right here, Stellar. I think it rebounds up here. Goes above this little mark right here. Look at the 1 month. Pretty good. I was trading it though. Base chain, it's up 508%. I'm telling you now, I was just telling the missus, man, look at this stock. I mean, look at this coin. All of a sudden, they're all gonna do this. I'm gonna be like, holy shit, look, my coin just went from freaking nothing and it's 10 times. Like micro Bitcoin, all these coins, bro. They're all gonna do that. And if you ain't in, you're gonna be freaking chasing them, and all the people that were in and hodling, they're gonna make really big, like myself. This is shit. Whatever, it's up 500%, man. They're all gonna do this. All of them. I'm telling you. See? It all used to be. This is the same pattern that's gonna happen on all these. So many of them. Bit Capital Vendor. Anything with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Atom. 26 cents. See, it used to be all the way up here, flat line, nothing. Now all of a sudden coming into play. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. You don't even know what it is. And it trades on Stex. It trades on Stex, BCA. BCA. Here's Waves. Look what Waves did, folks. Look. In the last couple days, it went from nothing down here like micro Bitcoin, and all of a sudden, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Do you know how much money that's going to make? At 4 cents. From nothing. They're all going to do this. All the good ones are going to do this. Look, Snow Gem. I got 19 coins. Sell. Done. Come back to micro Bitcoin. Buy some of that. First, let me find that other one. BCA. Here's another one. Bitcoin. Right here, look what this one's done in the last couple. They're all doing it, folks. I'm telling you, look what it's done in the last couple days. They're all going non-stop. Every one of them. Pretty amazing. We're going one by one by one. BCA is right here. This one's starting its move too, look. Just starting, look. Volume's coming in, it's just starting. Amazing, huh? This is the daily. Amazing. I like the micro Bitcoin. 6,000 more coins right there, buying. You want to see you can fuck around? Watch. I'll buy 1,000. Watch. See the bid? 116 orders. Watch. You ready? Now it's 117. 118. 119. 120. You can do 8 orders. 121. 122. 123. And now I'll buy the ask. $784. Done. So now, see all these orders with the, it's all the same guy. It's one person. He just stacks them up like that. So this, you know, it's the same kind of little trick track that they do. Another one looks good is this smart cash that I mentioned for the smart node the other day. I'm doing a smart node. Look what this one's doing. Just beautiful. And CLOP. Exchange, CPLO, which is another coin. It's only at 1 cent by 2 cents. So if you buy it at 2 cents and the thing goes to 6 cents, you just tripled your money. John McAfee's in with this company. And it's, again, down here, it's doing nothing. But all of a sudden, it's going to start to trek up and no one's even going to know about it. It's going to be up 500%. It's amazing. Sending over some more coins to sell. 25 more coins. Close. So the markets are great with the crypto. Anyone can come in with any amount of money. This is the CPLO exchange. And if you come over here to CPLO, CPLO, look, it's a good coin. It's up 1%, but look, it's ready to pop. You go to the website. Looking good, and the team right there has got McAfee, man, project advisor. Got some cash in it. Transparent ecosystem for scam prevention and investor protection in the blockchain for ICOs, PCOs, established projects requiring projects to adhere to CPLO's strict transparency model. There you go. This one's up 2 cents. Cube. Automotive vehicle cyber. Look at this one. Cyber platform for the auto industry. So everything's around the car. Look at that. It looks so cool, doesn't it? Cyber security platform. Autonomous security. That was a quick video. Not letting me watch it, but you guys could somewhat. I don't know why it's not letting me watch it. Riding in a one.
Hello. From now on, we're going to show you how to get Cube tokens using Cube's ping on any computer. When you plug this ping box in here, it lights up like this. It's very simple.
Just for driving, you get tokens?
Your car is now able to transmit driving data. Then, you can see how much of your data has been transferred by your car. Of course, Cube tokens will be generated as much as the data is sent. I can check it on my smartphone here. Look at it. You have 540 Cube tokens throughout the day. To buy this data.
Very good.
Mention the car manufacturers.
Very good.
So people with ping boxes in their cars get cube tokens while
This
driving.
is good.
Data consumers buy
They're using the model from
to get
Progressive
necessary
Insurance,
data.
man. This is a good one.
Accumulating data one by one.
This is a
Cube
good one.
company gets the big data.
It's 2 cents. And it's just making its move. I told you all these things are, man. Look at this shit. Straight up, boys. See where it trades. On Hit BTX. None of the ones I'm a member of. So I can't trade it. I'm not joining no more exchange. I'm already like, if it's not on my exchange, I ain't doing it. Bit Capital Vendor. Look, 0.005 up 41%, just starting a move too. All of them are going to do that in the next couple of weeks. This is a Chinese company. Arbitrage again, $3. Bob's Repair Coin. Has an interesting story with Bob's Repair Coin. It's about fake reviews. These two brothers in Las Vegas had this business where they would send handymen over and their competitors bashed them with fake reviews and they lost all this money, and they came up with a coin that if you get done, you got to pay in Bob's Repair Coin. So all the testimonials and reviews are real, and their business is doing great. Congratulations to them. All right, can't wait to trade tomorrow. I gave you the links for both. There's I'm gonna put some more money in Kraken tomorrow, so I can do that leverage and do the nice scale into Bitcoin as it goes back to 5,000. That's that C Paulo. See, this one's up 200%, 100%. They're all gonna make moves. Here's Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Bitcoin Cash S Satoshi Vision. No place like home for Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gonna see where it came from. It's gonna fill right in here. Bitcoin. That's 6,000. It's 5,000. It's gonna fill right back up into this gap. It'll look good for the holidays. All right, I got a lot. I'm gonna have my goal. Look, I have 17 million micro Bitcoin. So when it goes to, imagine if it goes to $1, that would be $17 million. Doesn't have much downside. Got a lot of damn upside. Look at this green bar right here. Imagine this, then the next one comes up into this range, and then the next one all the way up here, and then it's gone. In 3 quick bars. That's how they happen, man. Be happy. What's happening on my Twitter? 52,000 followers. Doing a survey for miners. I'm giving away 2 gift cards for $50 each. So let's see how many, after 50 responses it ends. See how many responses we got. 38, 12 left, folks. Who's going to be the lucky 2 that gets the gift card? If you are a GPU miner, we want to hear from you. This is the Miner Foundation project. I'm getting compensated by Aeon $200 at the end of my research report in Aeon coin. And they're supplying the gift cards to 2 people. We'll choose at random email addresses at the end. How long you've been crypto mining, the size of your farm, what you pay in kilowatts, how many GPUs you have. Some cool questions. So if you want to take that, go ahead. You can't take it more than once. You'll get a thing that says you've already responded. The Kraken. Cool picture, huh? Look at the boat. It's got the MM on it right there. The MOJO miner. Isn't that cool? And look, underwater, he's got the little tat of the MOJO right there on him. One of his little suckers. The MOJO Day Trading. Snow Gems, Stacks, Micro Bitcoin, and Kraken. Got some good things. I'm going to look back in this video in a year and say, damn, man, that was a... People who watch that, maybe listened and with me, did real good. So you don't need a lot of money to get started. Here's my trades in the MOJO room that I was doing yesterday. Show you that. Gerardo put in a good one. Look, he picked the waves. See? Look at the waves, how much that went up. From 0.0002 to 0.003. That's a huge move, folks. A big move. Here, XLM right here. See it? This is Ripple. Checking out. We were playing through. Check it out. So I did some trading yesterday. So he was in waves right here too. Good job. So the biggest bar is through Hines. It works in crypto too. You could see right here as it approached 3960 and 4,000. That huge bar. That's journaled. 4,000 sequence done. Look at this one. 4,300 breakout happening. So you could see up here. Look. It's going to break. It's at 4280. So it's going to go 80, 70, 80, 90, and then through 4,300. Watch. He added some Aeon. Nice job down there adding Aeon. And here it goes. Watch. 40 rail grind headed through 4,300. Adding at 42.90, buying more at 95, and then pushing all my money in at 97. So here's the 90 I added. Look, told you 91, 92, 93. Here it goes, 93. 97, it's flying. 98, 4,300, 4,304, 4,309. Look at that. 4,305, 4,311, exactly like stocks. And that's it. And we're going to look to rebuy at 42.98 and below, and into stopping station 77, and then 51, and then it bounced right back up. Awesome, done. Great trading, man. Did it again right in this little zone. Did it through 41.97, right through 4,200 again. Look, boom. Those worked real good. And we won't send over 3. We'll wait. That's it for me, folks. I'm gonna wake up early, get ready for the MOJO room, do some trading. Screen down. We're at 40,079. One down. Imagine if micro goes to, yeah, I'll be doing just fine if it goes to 25. Wouldn't that be nice? Heads up, everyone. World's first Bitcoin friendly shop, Bit Plaza, just launched on iTunes. With BitPlaza app, anyone around the world could spend Bitcoin. Nice, good job. Or micro Bitcoin. Interesting. What exchange? NOS on. Good. Thanks for the chatting tonight, guys. Trump decided no further tariff. What do you think the market does? I have no idea. We'll see what it does in the morning. We'll do a nice video. I'll check you out then. That would be a good way to do it. Keep it profitable, keep it healthy, keep it peaceful, and I'll see you in the morning, everybody.